Hello students, today I am going to teach about factorization of polynomials. You know, for example, x square minus 16. This is a polynomial. If we divide it into x plus 4 into x minus 4, then the degree of x, that is the power of 2, the power of x is 2 and here the power of x is 1, and x plus 4 or x minus 4 is a factor of x square minus 16. So how to calculate a plus b whole square? So I can write it as a plus b into a plus b, a into a square, a into b plus ab, b into a plus ba, b into b plus b square. So a square plus ab, I can write it as ba as ab plus b square. This is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now the formula is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, we can calculate or we can derive the formula a minus b whole square. So a minus b into a minus b, I can write it as a minus b whole square is equal to a minus b into a minus b. Now multiply a into a square minus ab minus ba minus minus plus b square. So a square minus 2ab, because commutative property of multiplication is satisfied here. So ab is equal to ba. So I can write it as minus 2ab plus b square. This implies, what is the formula of a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can easily calculate these formulas. Then come to another formula. See how to calculate. A plus b whole cube. So how to calculate it? Can I write it as a plus b whole square into a plus b? Now we know the formula of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab into a plus b. Now multiply a square into a cube, a square into b, a square b plus b square into a, b square a plus b square into b plus b cube plus 2ab into a, 2a square b plus 2ab square. So now a cube plus a square b plus 2a square b, 3a square b plus b square a plus 2ab square or 2b square a, that is 3ab square plus b cube. This implies a plus b whole cube. The formula is a cube plus 3ab a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now from this formula we can calculate a cube plus b cube. So how much? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3a square b minus 3ab square. So a plus b whole cube minus 3ab. We can take common from here. 3ab is equal to a plus b. This implies we can take now common a plus b. This implies is equal to a plus b whole square minus 3ab. From these two, a plus b is a common factor in both case. So a plus b we can take common as a plus b. So now a plus b whole square. The formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab is equal to a plus b into how much? A square plus b square, 2ab minus 3ab is how much? Minus ab. A square plus b square minus ab. Or we can write it as, this implies a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. This is another formula. A square minus ab plus b square. So similarly, you can calculate the formula of a minus b whole cube and a cube minus b cube. So for today's class, this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.